Hello students, how are you all? I hope that you have watched all the previous lectures. Now you all know what is science and what we study about in this subject, and obviously few of you or maybe all of you now are having interest to study science, as you all know that it relates to everything that we see in our surrounding. So it is all about observation. Now you all must be thinking that how am I going to evaluate myself, that I am having good qualities of studying this subject, or what can I do to do improvement while studying the subject. So there are some important attitudes in the study and practice of science subject, and it is important for us to have certain attitudes such as those listed in this checklist below. If you go through this checklist, so you are going to have a look that what kind of attitudes a person should have to study science. These all are positive attitudes that one should have in the study and practice of science, and obviously these attitudes are very much important to understand and to advance your thinking criteria, and also having a good ability of observation. So you must be curious. Curious means that you are such kind of person who actually likes to question. If you are able to question why it happens, and if you want to find out about that thing, then obviously you can be considered as a good student of science. Also, if you have perseverance, like for example, if you don't want to give up easily. Basically, whenever we are doing experiments, we need some kind of work that is trial based. Now obviously, what is trial based? For example, the laws that we study in recent times, any one of the scientists must have worked on that specific law, and he or she must have like tried the experiment again and again. After so many failures, a scientist actually reaches a success level. So if you have that perseverance in your character, you are having this quality, then you are going to be a good student of science subject. You must be open-minded so that you will be able to solve problems. Also, you must be cooperative, that you are able to work with your classmates, or if you, when you are going to grow up and you are going to go to a higher level, then you will be doing research work. So if you are having a cooperative nature, then you will be successful. Also, you must be fair and objective, so that you should not think something is good or right just because you like it. Also, you must be skeptical. And what does it mean? That you should not readily accept all that you have read or learned as an absolute truth. Okay, and you must be humble. If you are not proudy, and when you are going to achieve any goal, what is the benefit of it? You will be going further in your life. You will be willing to admit your mistakes, and if you are going to work on mistakes, then definitely you can do advancement in science subject as well. You must have integrity, that you are not going to cheat to get the desired results. Like for example, if another scientist or another person have worked something else, and you are going to took his work or her work, and you are going to represent it as your, it will be not good. You are not learning anything. It is not a good thing. So you must have integrity in your nature as well.